Friendos, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be sitting down with you guys. It's been a hot minute, so let's get into this. For $145, I have purchased the Supreme mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Together, we shall unbox her and see what mysteries await. Inside of here is supposed to be 23 items. 23. I can't wait to see if I've spent my money wisely or if I spend the night crying in the corner because it was a bust. So my guys, if you are interested in Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I cover it a lot here on my channel. Now is a very good opportunity to subscribe because I know I'm going to get some items in here that I already own that I'm not going to use that I'm going to put in a giveaway. So be on the lookout for that. Let's go ahead and dive into today's video. Friendos, just stay tuned. First off, I am loving the aesthetic of this box. It's very summery, very pastel. So it looks like I got a bucket hat. My sister's drawing me so hard right now. Of course I'm gonna put it on. I look very good in hats.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Dude, where's my car? All right, this is my life now. Okay, this is who I am. Okay, next up, ooh. I have some Jeffree Star approved. I guess these are magnets or pins or something. Okay, Polywog, what are these? Help me out here. For Crocs. Anyways, if this is for Crocs, here you go.
Either that or it's for your hat.
Okay, well they are yours. Okay, you know what? I'm done being the bucket hat person. We're moving on. Then I have a pop socket, it appears. I don't use pop sockets, so if no one in the house claims it, I will be putting this in a giveaway. There's been a lot of clothes so far. What on earth? Okay, some tube socks. I'm not hating about this. You know, I love me some socks. Always missing my socks. So yeah, looks like some Jeffree Star tubies. Okay, so we have the Supreme, say it with me guys, the Supreme Gloss. So this is in the shade Weirdo. Pretty sure this is the black one, so I'm about this. Yes. Okay, I know that this probably isn't everyone's cup of tea, but it is mine. Another Supreme Gloss. We have Red Affair. I'm not sure which one this is exactly. Of course it's going to be red. But let's just see. Ooh, this is so pretty. There's no way I'm giving this one away. I'm keeping it for myself. I love a good red. Okay, next up we have another Supreme Gloss. This is the shade 714. Guessing that's an area code, but I don't know where it's for. Okay, I think I own this one. If I do, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in the giveaway. Ooh, you guys. Okay, so one of my very favorite products. This is the Liquid Star Shadow. I already own this shade. I own all of them, I believe. So this is shade Diva Galaxy. This is the one that has that pinky purple blue shift to it. So I will be putting this in a giveaway for you guys since I already own it. Okay, next up we have a Velvet Trap lipstick. This is Red Rum. Red Rum. Red Rum. Do I? No, I definitely don't have this. All right, so this is another red. You guys, I like my extremes. I like everything from the nudest of nudes to the reddest of reds. Especially now that my hair is dark, I've really been feeling the red lipstick. Calabasas. This is the Velour liquid lipstick, and I do already own this, just so you guys can see the shade. It is gorgeous. It's a beautiful pinky, almost watermelon shade. It's flattering on almost every skin tone. So yeah, I can't wait to put this in the giveaway since I already own it. Next up, ooh, okay. My favorite, absolute favorite product from Jeffree Star Cosmetics is the eye gloss powder. I do have a little bit on today. I don't remember the name of the shade, but the blue shade, that's what I have in my eyes right now. This is Peach Goddess. I'm very excited because I don't own this one. Oh wow, this shade is so pretty. Sorry, I could see it from the back and I got excited. Look at this, my guys. Go ahead, let's give her a swatch because I'm for sure keeping this. Look at that beautiful orange, peachy, golden shift. I am about this life. So nice. Okay, there's another one. I can't wait to see. Blunt of Diamonds. I don't have this one either. Okay. Stunning. So the item I'm for sure giving away, Supreme Frost. I'm just not a big highlight person. Ooh, this one does look so pretty though. This one's called Hypothermal. I'm assuming that this color on the outside is what's gonna match on the inside. Let's see. Oops. Yes, it does. Look at that shift. I hope this is picking up on the camera. There's a slight pink to icy blue shift, and that is gorgeous. I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm giving it away. This looks like a new product. This says Jeffree Star Skincare, question mark, summer lip oil. So I'm guessing it's a mystery flavor, unless question mark is like legit the name. It just says summer lip oil. It does not say. Let's see what it smells like. Doesn't really smell like anything. Okay. I'm not gonna hate on hydration for my lips, so we'll hang on to that. Okay, it looks like another item that would be limited edition. Just judging by this packaging. We have some mini velour liquid lipsticks and burnt sandcastle, hot sauce, and sour star melon. Ooh, now these are some summer colors. I could see myself having like a beach towel or dress with these colors. Can I just say how impressed I am by the packaging? Like nothing's broken. Everything is looking great. All the packaging is cute and it even feels secure inside its own carton, just the way that it's made. Okay, so we have some single shadows here. So we have Old Jeff, Casper Mountain. This is going to be from the Star Ranch palette. Then we have CEO. I'm trying to remember if I have this. I feel like I do. This looks like it might be in Blood Sugar. I'll have to look that up. Okay, these two I know I already own in the Star Ranch palette. Only Child. Pretty sure I own this. If not, it's going in the giveaway. I said that wrong. If I do, it's going in the giveaway. Then we have Star Creek. We have Winter Wind. These are some really nice shades this time. We have Cherry Wet and 1985, which I'm sure is from the Weirdo palette. So yeah, that one's definitely gonna be given away. I feel like I own these other ones, but I'll go through, guys, and I'll determine what's what. So yeah, there's all the shades right here. All right, only a few items left. It looks like we have a velour lip scrub, and this is the flavor Pink Grapefruit. I love Pink Grapefruit. I know I'm gonna love this. I love his sugar scrub formula for the lips. Oh, it smells so good. I'm so happy about that. All right, so the last two items look pretty big. We have the Ice Crusher Skin Frost Pro palettes. Now you guys know I don't like highlighter. At least I'm just not that into it. So will I be putting this into a giveaway? Of course I will. Let's go ahead and open her up though so we can admire her. Guys, this is really pretty. If I was into highlight, I would be so excited right now. I know one of you probably is, so best of luck to you in the future. Maybe you'll win it from me. Okay, perfect. So we do have Pink Religion. This was one of the first reviews I ever did on my channel. It was on this palette. It's such a good one, you guys, especially if you are into pinks. Believe it or not, I'm actually not that into pink on a day-to-day basis. I still have my palette. It's exceptional quality, and if you enjoy pinks, you're going to enjoy this palette, I'm sure. Okay, so this will be in a giveaway for one of you. So my guys, that concludes everything. That's all that I got in my box. Let me know what you think. Was it a good value for $145? I have to say, I feel like I did get a great value this time. There were so many items that were just my style. However, I could see if you're not into bold summer colors, this may not be the mystery box for you. But chances are, if you are into Jeffree Star Cosmetics, you are not shy when it comes to color. But nonetheless, let me know what you guys think. So whether it's your first time or your 200th time clicking on my video, video. I really do appreciate you watching, spending your free time here with me. I had a phenomenal time. It's so good to be back in front of the camera. I can't wait to catch up with you guys. Let me know what's been going on in your lives and have a phenomenal rest of your day. And before I go, please don't forget to subscribe, because if not, we'll both have to live in the sorrow of never knowing what could have been. All right, have a fabulous day, guys. Bye.